Kenya, if you've made it, people only want to watch people who have made it.
That is
okay. So for the people who are starting up, brands don't want to work with you.
That's true.
And they forget the people that have made it started from somewhere.
Exactly.
So it's just so funny. You're like,
hi guys, welcome back to Olive Curated Rebranded. And today, you guys, I have a special guest right next to me. She is a content creator. She is a badass. You know, she's a YouTuber. Please introduce yourself.
Hi guys, my name is Shelly Mukami, but my friends call me Shelly. I'm a content creator. I have a YouTube channel called Shelly Mukami, and I'm so excited to be here.
So I figured, why not bring someone and help us understand this YouTube thing? Because how long have you been doing this, Shelly?
I've been doing this for about 3 years.
3?
Yeah.
When did you start?
So my best friend and I used to have a channel together. The channel is still there, but I decided to venture on my own. We started a YouTube channel 3 years ago, and YouTube is very interesting and it's very nice, and it's a very good way personally for me to just vent and just to put my life out there, because I'm not a very private person. I don't privacy, you see, privacy. I don't do well in privacy. And then I'm very loud and I like to communicate. Exactly. So I felt like YouTube was the perfect thing for me. That's because it's not limiting. I can get to be myself. And it's amazing.
Shelly has already taken the cue and explained to her who Shelly is. Shelly, who are you? Describe yourself in 5 words.
I'm just I am a piercing lover. I believe in body positivity, because as you can see, I'm not a small girl. So you need to own it. You need to own your body. You need to, you know. I love myself. I talk a lot, and I'm very unapologetic about it. And I'm just myself, and I love life. I'm a happy person.
Let me tell you, genuinely, Shelly is bubbly. She's fun. She's loud. She's loving, and she's caring. That's how I describe you. And that is true, because I've known her for quite some time.
And I love makeup.
We used to be in SIU, by the way, together. I had to bring her here on my How to Be a Boss series. This is episode 4, girl. You have made it in my How to Be a Boss series.
So excited.
And I wanted her to tell us everything about YouTube. She's told us about herself. She's told us how she used to be in a previous channel and feel that. And now she's venturing on her own. Shelly Mukami, that's your YouTube channel. And it will be linked down below, so please go check her out. And right now I want you to like guide everyone who is like me, you know, small baby YouTubers, or anyone aspiring to be a YouTuber. Like, what are the things you've learned? What are the things you've picked up from this journey that you really want to share to someone on the other side?
Okay, so first of all, you're doing really well.
Thank you.
I love your content. And I just feel like if you want to start a YouTube channel, start. Don't have any excuse that I don't have a camera. Honestly, let me just be very honest. This is the phone I use to film. Not a blink. I use to film and to edit. But I don't have any excuses. Start. And people will join you along the way. Don't worry about subscribers. Don't worry about views. Imagine there are people who will just generally love you, and they just want to be part of your channel without even asking them to be part of your channel. So first things first, start. And don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. I feel like being afraid is the one thing that limits people so much. You're afraid, like, what do people think?
How will I do?
Exactly,
they like my
people
content.
like my content, exactly. But believe in yourself and just do it. And once you start, when you just see someone posting a comment and they're like, oh my god, this is so nice, it feels so
Can you feed off Shelby's energy right now? Because I'm like,
it feels so good. Oh my god, I live for those comments. I feel just you know, like, at the end of the day, you're inspiring people, and you're just it's amazing. I wouldn't change it.
What has YouTube taught you about yourself?
YouTube has taught me patience. Me, I don't have patience. I do not have patience. But YouTube has taught me patience, because you'll post a video, and for example, like 3 years ago, we'd post a video and we'd get 50 views, and funny enough, we used to be be very excited.
Yeah.
You'll be like, oh.
50. And then like 50 eyeballs watching what you guys are doing.
And then I personally, because I have 7,000 followers on Instagram.
Yeah.
And I'm like, why are these people not subscribing?
Yeah. And I actually have that vibe sometimes, because I'm like, okay, fine, I have like around 1,500 followers and my YouTube is around 400 subscribers, but like, you drop a video, you see 30 views and
you're like, and also at the end of the day,
yeah,
not everyone wants to be happy for you. Not everyone will be happy for you. Not everyone wants to see you succeed. Even if you have those 1,500 followers, not all those followers, people are like, why she started a channel? Not even your friends won't support you. But at the end of the day, you have to realize that you should just be okay with it. Because me, I said, like, when I was starting this new channel, I was like, even if it's 500 subscribers, I will be very content, because I will be like, these are people that genuinely like me and genuinely like my content, and I'm okay with that.
And I've read this link about the power of 1,000 true fans. Like, you have these 1,000 people who, if Shelly comes and endorses something, she says, you guys buy, just those 1,000 will run. If it's a meet and greet, they will be there. If it's, you're releasing a book or something, they are buying it. The power of 1,000 true fans. Yes, it's good to have so many millions of users, so many subscribers, but do you really have that family that's close knit and they just love Shelly?
Exactly.
And they just love Olive,
And then YouTube is also very nice, because even if you're having a bad day, and like I said, you just see people liking your video, you can't even have a bad day. You're like, oh my god, there are people who are looking up to me, and I'm like, I don't want to disappoint them, So at the end of the day, you just have to keep going, no matter what.
Going. So other than patience,
it's taught me that not everyone will support you, obviously, because there are people I send links and they, the thing about YouTube, who has subscribed. So someone is telling you, oh my god, I like the channel, I've subscribed, and I'm like, oh, thank you. But then at the back of my mind, I'm like, Najua to just subscribe. Like, why are we lying to each? So it's taught me that not everyone who you think will support you will. And also, it's also taught me that I need to be very focused and not think about the money.
Yes.
Because most people start YouTube.
Wait, let me clap for you. That is so true, because money is just a byproduct of success.
Exactly.
And because at first, let me not lie, even me when I started, I was like, I really want to make money.
People need to realize that you don't start making money with a fast view. There's so much that goes into making money from YouTube, because you need to have 4,000 hours, you need to pass their 1,000 subscriber mark. So that's why you see very many YouTubers, they post 2 videos and they stop.
Yeah, because they think it'll happen overnight.
So it doesn't happen overnight. You need to have passion in what you're doing. You need to keep creating content that you're happy about and that will make people smile. Don't think about the money. The money will come, and like a sponsor will see you and will be like, oh my god, I love her channel. She doesn't have many followers, but I can relate to her, and I think she'd do well endorsing my products. So.
You guys, please go subscribe to Shelly QUEENZ channel. Please go support her, because she's really saying so many nuggets of wisdom that are resonating with me. And as soon as I started the journey and I realized it's actually true, it will come.
Yes, it will come.
Don't beat yourself if it doesn't come in 5 months or a year. Do you know, I've seen so many big YouTube channels saying they did YouTube for almost 2 years without even hitting the 1,000 subscriber mark. In my previous video about how you can use YouTube as a business, it's possible. And for example, Shelly already described herself as a makeup lover. Think about if you start your channel doing makeup and a brand sees you and they're like, Shelly, we love what you're doing, can you please endorse our brand? That's another way you'd make money, right?
Yes. But you need to give everyone a chance, because let me just be honest, the YouTubers I see and I'm like, I feel like she's so boring, and when I give them a chance, I'm like, wow, where have you been? So just give people a chance, and then at the end of the day, as creators, we need to understand that not everyone will like us.
That's true.
And we need to be okay with that.
And that's actually why my next question was, what are the cons of YouTube? Because, okay, fine, Oliver's talked in a video of how YouTube is amazing, it's good for your business, you can make money, you can build an audience and a family that look up to you and they love you. But then let's be real, there's a downside of everything. I mean, there's good and there's bad. So far, what have you seen? Like, what are the things that you don't appreciate or don't like?
The things that I don't appreciate and I don't like. There are people who just wake up in the morning and just decide to hate on your content. Haujawafanyia kitu, you have never met them, you've never offended them.
Shelly, why are you whispering? Because I'm just like, why?
People who just wake up one morning and they're just like, we don't like your content, or what. And it used to really get to me. I used to be like, But these days when I see a bad comment about me, I'm a very like short-tempered person. So I put my phone away and I'm like, Shelly, maybe this person is having a bad day.
Yeah.
Maybe hakukula breakfast poa. I'm normally like, thank you for watching.
Yeah.
Love heart. Because I realize that if you keep reacting to your haters, they'll be like, Nikipok, only baby at a reactive. Let's keep looking for a reaction. Just smile and wave. Okay. You don't like me? That's fine. I can't change it, you know.
Yeah. But then I've also learned that people who say they'd rather block it because they just can't keep looking at it there.
For me, I don't block every comment. Like if I'll block a comment that I feel like has really offended me.
Yeah.
But most of them naziachanga tu hapo. And then you find that people who support you actually they're like, no, that wasn't necessary for you to say. You know. So at the end of the day, there are people that won't like you, but there are more people
that love you. Exactly.
There's some comments that are constructive criticism.
Yeah.
And there's some comments that are just pure hate.
Yeah.
And we need to learn how to differentiate that because, for example, like I mentioned in the video that I'm gonna post, there's someone who used to tell me, I hate how you do your eyebrows, I hate how you do your eyebrows. That was 3 years ago. And that person helped me make my eyebrows better. Yeah. So there are comments that are criticism but in a positive way, and there are just some that are just pure hate. We all just need to support each other, and we all just need to encourage each other and just spread love, because there's so much hate and so much so many mean people in the world right now, people who are just sad and are not okay. And I just feel like if we should just spread love. Hakuna haja kuchukiana for no reason. And support each other as girls kwanza. Let's support each other. Let's not bring each other down. And as I always say on my channel, don't forget to give love, laugh lots, and be grateful.
As you guys heard. Why is it that mostly Kenyan YouTubers are not willing to help, to collaborate, to link up with other people? And you know, honestly, not that because I'm small, obviously, let me not let you guys. If you're a small YouTuber, don't run to the big YouTubers. They'll look at you like you're trying to reach their success. So
I don't have an answer for that. Because personally, I've approached, there's someone I really wanted on my channel, and I approached her, and I know her schedule is not that busy. I know she can make time for me. Like I don't shoot for long. I do everything one take. I don't have dry runs or anything.
Yeah.
So I feel like at most we do like a 20-minute video, but she was like, I don't think I can be able to do this video. And I understood, like there are people who are gonna be very willing to partner with you. They'll be so willing. Yeah. And there are people who just won't. And it's fine. You know, at the end of the day, you can't force everyone to be there.
To see your vision as well.
So,
I mean, so Shelly, I will tell them, when am I coming to your channel?
Soon.
Guys, that is it for today's video. If you have been thinking about doing YouTube and you've been doubting yourself, please don't doubt yourself. I mean, there is a clear depiction of how it's possible. Shelly has given her story. She's even started her own channel. And I've seen it's doing well. Girl, my first gym, how many subscribers? I was like,
I'm trying.
Shelly though.
I'm really trying. I honestly didn't expect that because of everything. Yeah. But I'm grateful. But I'm very, very grateful. Guys, please subscribe. And also subscribe to her if you haven't already. It's free. You notice people think maybe subscribe means utakatwa so at the end of the month. It's free. Subscribe. Hapo ka red button. Subscribe.
Help us grow. And as well, also you jump on the bandwagon as well. So anyway, guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to Shelly Mokami's channel. Follow her at
Shelly_sophisticated rhythm.
Yes. on Instagram, and as well at olive_nkirioti on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and pretty much all my social media platforms. If you loved anything to do with this video, give us a thumbs up.
Yes.
And comment down below if you want us to do a video with Shelly, and probably what you want us to do.
Yes.
Maybe do my makeup, babe.
Yes.
I said I want to look this flawless. Are you see how I look? I'm just like,
yeah, so pretty, melanin popping, you know?
Yeah.
Thank you for having me.
Oh, anytime. So anyway, guys, don't forget to start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. Bye, guys.
Bye.
See you on the next video. Bye.